Mr. West, Mr. West, Mr. Fresh, Mr. By himself, he's so impressed. I mean, damn, did you even see the test? You got D's, motherfucker D's, Rosie Perez, and yeah, it's barely passed any and every class, looking at every ass, cheated on every test. I guess this is my dissertation, homie, this shit is basic. Welcome to graduation, good morning.